Hi friends, this is Selvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I'm going to discuss about how we can access Fortinet firewall via web GUI. Okay, so for that the port 1 of the Fortinet firewall I connected to the GNS3 cloud. So this particular segment IP is 192.168.84 segment. So in the same subnet I'm going to assign a static IP to this particular port. Okay, so prior to the configuration, what we can do, let us go to this console of this particular Fortinet firewall and let us configure the password and the host name. Then we'll configure this particular port. I'm going to assign a static IP. So let us go to the configuration. So it is prompting for the username and the password. Okay. So by default, the default username is admin and we have to change the password at the first login. Okay. So now let us enter the username as admin and just click enter. So it will ask for the input a new password. So now let us give the password. Okay, now I have changed the password. Okay, so now what we have to do, I'm going to change the host name. So for that I need to go to config system global, then I'm going to set the host name. So config system global, set the host name as, let us set it as fort1. Okay, and after that just click end. So that will save the configuration. So now you assign the host name. Now let us go to the particular interface command, that is config system interface, and go to this port hierarchy, edit port 1. Then I am going to assign a static IP. Okay, so let us go here, go to config system interface, edit port 1, because I have connected the port 1. So now let us do a show. So it will show the configuration. It is in port 1 and the set mode is DHCP. So now what I have to do, now I have to change the mode to a static mode. Then I have to assign a static IP. Okay, so go to set mode static. Then let us assign a IP. Set IP 192.168.84.50. So as the same cloud subnet, I'm assigning as 84.50 followed by the subnet mask. Okay. Now let us save the configuration. Okay, for viewing this configuration, the command is show system interface port 1. So it will show this corresponding port 1 configuration what we did. Okay, so one day I assigned a static IP. I made it as set mode static, then I assigned this IP, and by default it is already ping HTTPS. HTTP is already allowed. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to open a Chrome browser and I'm going to access via HTTP. Okay, so let us see whether it is working. So let us go to the Chrome browser, just do 192.168.84.50. So now it is prompting for the username and password. This is a web GUI of the Fortinet firewall. So now let us go ahead and prompt with the user, enter the username and the password, right? So just click admin and the password is fort. Just click enter. So it will now take you to the GUI page. So now let us view the interface configuration. So what the interface you assigned is port 1. Let us view this configuration, right? So let us go to network, just click interfaces. It will show you the configuration. So port 1, what does IP we assign is 192.168.84.50, and these are the default services. Just click this port 1, it will show you all this thing. Okay, so this port 1, and what is the type is physical interface, and addressing mode we have set it as static manual, and this is the IP and the mask we assign, and these are the default services already it is assigned, like HTTPS, HTTP and SSH. Okay, so that's all about this video, how we can access Fortinet via web GUI, right? So through config system global, first we have set the host name, and for changing any port to static or the DHCP, we have to go to the config system interface, then go to the port 1, edit port 1, then this is already allowed. So then we have to assign IP, set IP followed by the subnet mask. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.